Planet X is a synonym for other historical names, including Nibiru, Nemesis, Hercolibus, Destroyer, Frightener, Red Planet, and Doomshape. Today we know it as the Nemesis mini-constellation, a brown dwarf star with 3 major planets and satellites. Nemesis is our second sun, and our government first observed it in 1983. Why are we the last to know? So we can be the first to die. What have we lost? A half-century of time to prepare. What can we do about it? Fight for our lives or surrender them? You know, that's a tough choice. Planet X is here, and nothing can stop what is coming. Worse yet, our final window of opportunity to prepare is shrinking, like a candle burning from both ends. So, when does it close, this window of opportunity? Our start year for this window is 2024, with Nemesis at perihelion, its closest distance to our Sun. Our end year for this window is 2030, when the pole shift occurs. This is the danger zone for this flyby. And building shelters during this time will be difficult at best. This brings us to the last window of opportunity between now and when things become difficult. What types of disasters can we expect to see in the danger zone? Meteorite showers, firestorms, radiation, tsunamis, earthquakes, eruptions. We could go on. And so the point is that you cannot prepare for everything because there is never just one thing. This is why win-win communities are built with an all-hazard strategy. This begins by recognizing the potential for any number of different emergencies or disasters to occur at any time. Preparing to survive a ground zero event is expensive and problematic. A more practical strategy is to weigh the outcomes and prepare for near ground zero risks. We'll take a look at how to do that with best-of-class technology. But first, a brief word. I'm Marshall Masters, publisher of the Colburn Bible, the 21st Century Master Edition, which contains detailed accounts of previous Planet X flybys. This ancient wisdom text is divided into 2 parts. The first part is called the Egyptian texts. It was penned approximately at the same time as the 5 books of Moses. We are all curious about what we will see in the years ahead. But what about previous flybys? What do those survivors tell us about what they beheld? Here is what we're told we shall see in the Colburn Bible. From Manuscripts 5:5, the doom shape is like a circling ball of flame, which scatters small fiery offspring in its train. It covers about a 1/5 part of the sky and sends writhing snake-like fingers down to earth. The critical description in this passage is that it covers about a 1/5 part of the sky and sends writhing snake-like fingers down to earth. A 1/5 of the sky tells us that this will be a global event. Again, nothing can stop what is coming. To learn more, please visit Colbrin.com. Kolbrin.com. So with that in mind, how can we prepare given that we have so little time left to do it? I was blessed to have the assistance of David B. South, inventor of the monolithic dome, in designing the win-win all-hazard subfoundation and overcover strategy using readily available materials. The overcover is intended to shield the dome from meteorite showers and impactors the size of a volleyball. The subfoundation is designed for extreme flooding events. But above all else, with the win-win strategy, you design for families, safety, and an inspired lifestyle. This is possible because the secret of a beautiful bunker is that the dome shell is the sole load-bearing structure. This means a second floor can be any shape you please because it is not load-bearing. The result is a completely free hand in designing a safe and beautiful win-win dome interior. It is hard to believe that something like this is all-hazard safe, but it is. Built the win-win way, a dome will last over 1,000 years, and as new generations move in, they can make changes quickly. For a strong sense of authenticity, the timber and stone removed to prepare the site for a win-win dome can be set aside and later reused to create beautiful interiors. And ladies, let's not forget the amenities, especially the bathrooms. The win-win lifestyle is permanent and family-centered. The goal is to survive, thrive, and prosper no matter what happens. To learn more, please check out our other Planet X FAQs and visit our website at yowza.com. That's YOWUSA.com. This is Marshall, and I'll catch you on the backside.